Hey everyone! Today we're doing a quick but essential guide on ClickUp task scheduling. We'll cover setting precise start and due dates with specific times, which is crucial for managing overlapping schedules and team capacity. First, navigate to the task location. First, find the appropriate place to create your scheduled task. Open ClickUp, locate Space folder, navigate to the space that contains your project, e.g. Game Space. Find Task List. Within the project folder, locate the existing list of tasks or the option to create a new one. Next, create the new task. We need a fresh task entry before we can apply the scheduling details. Click Add, click the Add New Task button, name task, enter a clear descriptive name, e.g. Task 2. Save. Press Save to add the new task to the list. The task is now an entry without any attached dates. Next, add specific start and due times. This is the core step for defining the task duration and timeline. Open Task Details. Click the task name to open the full task detail pane. Find Date section. Locate the Date section within the task details. Set start date and time. Click Start Date, select the calendar day, e.g. the 1st, and then click Start Time under the date picker to choose the specific start time, e.g. 6 p.m. Set due date and time. Click Due Date, select the completion date, e.g. the same day, and click the time field to select the specific due time, e.g. 8 p.m. The schedule saves automatically when you click outside the calendar time picker. Next, verify and calendar view. Checking the calendar view provides a powerful visualization of your schedule. Switch to calendar, switch your workspace to the calendar view. Verify block. On the selected day, you will now see a visual block spanning the scheduled interval, e.g. 6 p.m. to 8 p.m. Check List View. In Task List View, the schedule also appears next to the task name, clearly showing the start to end interval. Calendar View is useful for spotting overlapping schedules and gaps. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.